In the town of Ballybay, there is a lassie dwelling. I knew her very well, and the story is worth telling. Her father kept her still, he was a good distiller. When she took a drink, well, the devil wouldn't fill her. I be ring-a-dum-a-da, I ring-a-dum-a-daddy-o, I ring-a-dum-a-da, whack follow daddy-o. She had a wooden leg that was hollow down the middle. She used to tie a string in it and play it like a fiddle. She fiddled in the hall, fiddled in the alleyway. She didn't give a damn, she had to fiddle anyway. Me ring-a-dum-a-da, I ring-a-dum-a-daddy-o, I ring-a-dum-a-da, whack follow daddy-o. She said she couldn't dance unless she had her welly on, and when she had them on, she danced as well as anyone. She wouldn't go to bed unless she had her shimmy on, but when she had it on, she'd go as quick as anyone. Me ring-a-dum-a-da, I ring-a-dum-a-daddy-o, I ring-a-dum-a-da, whack follow daddy-o. She had lovers by the score, every Dick and Harry. She was counting night and day, but still she wouldn't marry. Then she fell in love with a fellow with a stammer. He tried to run away, so she hit him with a hammer. I be ring-a-dum-a-da, I ring-a-dum-a-daddy-o, I ring-a-dum-a-da, whack follow daddy-o. She had children up the stairs, she had children in the briar. Another 10 or 12 sitting roaring by the fire. Fed them on potatoes and the soup she made with nettles. Lumps of hairy bacon that she boiled up in a kettle. I be ring-a-dum-a-da, I ring-a-dum-a-daddy-o, I ring-a-dum-a-da, whack follow daddy-o. She led a sheltered life, eating porridge and black pudding. Terrorised her man till he died in her right sudden. When her husband died, she was feeling very sorry. She rolled him in a bag and she threw him in the quarry. Well, me ring-a-dum-a-da, I ring-a-dum-a-daddy-o, I ring-a-dum-a-da, whack follow daddy-o.